Hello all, today in this video I'm going to make a demo video for email spam detection with the XgBoost algorithm. Previously with the same dataset we have worked with some other machine learning algorithms. In this work we will be making some comparison of the different other machine learning algorithms, and we will conclude that which machine learning algorithm is providing better result. And the data set I have used here I downloaded from Kaggle. You can just search it as email spam detection in Kaggle, so you will just get its link. So for that initially we are importing the libraries like pandas, time test split, plot, etc. And then we are just loading our data set. Our data set is having nearly 3002 columns. In this, the first 3001 columns we will be using as the x variable, and the last prediction column, that is the 3002 column, we will be using as the y variable. Then we are just checking the data type of every variables. So here it is showing that it's having nearly 3002 entries, and in that 3001 is integer and only one is object. So this is the one which is object, every others are integers only. Then we are checking for a null entry. Since it is not having any null entries, we are going to the determination of x variable and y variable. As I said, the initial 3001 variables are chosen as the x variable, and the last one is chosen as the y variable. By using this x variable and y variable, we are determining x train, x test, y train and y test variable with the test size as 0.25, that is 25% for testing, and remaining 75% will be taken for training. Then we have worked with a random forest. For the random forest, we got an training accuracy of 100 and testing accuracy of 0.9737. We also made to display the ROC AOC curve with the TPR at the y-axis, that is true positive rate, and the FPR at the x-axis. Then we worked with the SVM and got an training accuracy of 0.8092, and for this also we displayed the ROC curve. Then we worked with the naive Bayes, and then we got an training accuracy of 0.9646, and for that also we have displayed an ROC curve. Then we worked with KNN, that is K nearest classifier, and we got an training accuracy of 0.9064, and for that also we have displayed the ROC curve with the TPR and FPR. Then we made with the decision tree. With the decision tree we got an training accuracy of 100, and therefore this also we have displayed the ROC curve. Then we worked with the logistic regression, that is LR. For that we got an training accuracy of 0.9832, and for this also we have displayed a ROC curve plot. Then in this work we are going to work with XgPlot. For this we have made the only difference within the every algorithms is the libraries and the calling of the variables, that is the functions. So for every machine learning algorithms there will be different functions. So here this XGB algorithm is having XGB classifier, and we are calling it within the variable XG. And by using this xg variable we are determining the training variable values like the confusion matrix, accuracy score, and ROC AOC curve for with the training data and also with the testing data. For the training data we are getting the confusion matrix like this, and testing data like this. What the values difference between the values is that training data will take nearly 75% of the data. Testing data is taking only 25%, so only you can see this variation, vast difference. Apart from that, the accuracy score for XgBoost is 100. Same ROC AUC curve score is also 100. Then for testing accuracy score, we are getting 0.9806, and testing ROC AUC score, we are getting a 0.9976. Then for this also we have plotted the ROC curve by using the true positive rate and the false positive rate. Then we have made an comparison. With the comparison, we have made our every models which we have determined so far within a variable model. Like the algorithms which we have used so far include the random forest, support vector mission, naive bayes, KNN, decision tree, logistic regression, and XgBoost. In this we are making the loop, and within the loop we are calling every models within by and also we are training by using the x train and y train variables, and testing by using the xtest variable. Then we are determining the variables like accuracy, mean square error, r2 square, and then every accuracy of training accuracy and testing accuracy of every models, you can see it is displayed in the single cell. Then we are making a table comparison. In the table comparison, we are making an highlight point, like the model which is having the better accuracy will be shown with the green color, and with the least accuracy will be shown with red color. So far with the previous algorithms which we have made, random forest only remains as the best model, but now you can see the model XgBoost which we have implemented now is become the best model with the accuracy 98.98066. After this XgBoost, random forest takes the place, and after that this logistic regression takes the place. After that naive bayes, after that decision tree, after that KNN, and finally the support vector mission with the least accuracy. So this is the models, different models with the comparison table. In the next video, we will be working with some other machine learning algorithms. Thank you.